What's good, YouTube? We are back. Another video, OEM&x YouTube channel, and I'm in the garage. Got the fleet behind me, G80 M3 over there, 992 right here, 997 right there. Today's video, I think this is a 5. I've been going at it with this car since receiving it. I cleaned the interior pretty decently, got the old tint off. I want to keep it fishbowl nice and clear to show off this contrast tan and caramel red metallic paint. Then I took the initiative and task to remove 19-year-old PPF off the car, which took remove the PPF 2 days to remove the adhesive through numerous methods that you saw in previous videos. But it came out great. You still could line in there, but no big deal. Not worried about it. It looks great. So today's video, the last thing I got to do while it's up on this ramp, as you can see, is engine mounts. The exhaust was hanging low as hell. The engine mounts were shot. I already replaced one off camera, but this is the other one I'm going to throw in on the passenger side. I'm trying to do it with the garage closed because it was raining and I don't feel like opening it right now. But this is the OEM mount. I was going to do aftermarket mount. I should have did aftermarket mount. And they're gonna act like I miscalculated the pricing on FCP Euro, and I was like, "Oh, this is a good deal. I'm gonna buy this." It was $220, but it's just one. I was like, "Fuck!" So I had to go get another one, and then I could have just bought aftermarket ones, but I probably had to wait a little while for them to get here. FCP Euro, they have a branch, and this is an hour or 2 hours away from Tampa, so some of their parts do get shipped from there, but you get here in a day. So went ahead and got this, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on and get this thing back on the floor and keep this exhaust from sagging like an old person. So let's get to it. All right, as a matter of fact, oops, all these lights. All right, so this is actually the old one. Let's do a comparison so you can see just how bad the old one was. It was significantly lower. Oh, check this out. Boom. That's when I got the 992, they gave me that. But so that's pretty much that. This is the box. So I got assortment of tools. You need a 13 mil, you need a 18 mil for the bolt underneath there. Torque wrench, because the bottom bolt is 63 feet-pounds of torque. And you gotta take the airbox out. Airbox comes out pretty easily. You just disconnect the clamp that goes to the throttle body, disconnect this connector there, and then the MAF connector as well. So somewhere back there, and then this right here, it's a breather hose or something like that. So this is the one that I have to get off today, and that's what I'll be doing. I put the stock airbox down here to get out of the walkway. So let me try to orient myself to get under here and make this happen while keeping the garage closed. Wish me luck. All this stuff is very dirty under here. Again, this car came from Texas and it is dusty as shit underneath. So move that there. 18 mil. Oh, shit. All right, so you can see that they were definitely done for. So yeah, I was old and with the new. Alrighty, and there you have it. There's like a camera shadow, looks like ET. That's cool. There you have it. Motor mounts are in. I just put in the stock air box, and that's it. We good to go. So let's go ahead and do that and get this thing on the ground. All right. Let's see. I think now my the exhaust is at a reasonable level now. It was probably 2 inches lower than that. So, well, good. That's pretty much it. Engine mounts. If you don't know if they were done, just do them. Can't hurt. Oh, it does help with shifting because I did feel it. I thought it was a clutch, but they have replaced the clutch. They replaced the clutch, but I was just like, all right, maybe it's something else, and it was the engine mounts. You just feel everything moving and jumping around when you shift gear, so it's not the coolest feeling, but it's done, and I'm done for today. That's it. Engine mounts. Put the link down in the description of where you can get them from. Not affiliated, just trying to help you out. And that's it for today's video, guys. I think tomorrow we'll be getting this thing out on the road, and we'll talk through the build plan for it as we drive, because I've gotten it to where I can see myself in it. Can't be riding around with period correct PPF and looking all dusty, so I think we're good now. But that's it for today. Catch you guys on the next one. Keep being great. Peace.